Hi, yes, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, March 13th. A strong cold front passed through the mid-Atlantic region yesterday, caused some heavy rainfall, generally on the order of a 3/4 of an inch to an inch up and down the I-95 corridor. A second cold front will move through the region later on today with a little bit of precipitation, mostly in the form of rain. Some clouds will roll in this afternoon, and there can be some scattered showers. That frontal system will usher in even colder air for Thursday. Thursday promises to be the coldest day of the week, with high temperatures struggling to reach 40 degrees in many mid-Atlantic locations, along with a 20-25 mile per hour wind gusts out of the northwest, giving even lower wind chill values for Thursday afternoon. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. The first front well off the east coast right now. A second front causing some snow shower activity out over the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes region right now. That'll move to the east over the next several hours. Can be some rain showers here south and east of the mountains this afternoon. Maybe a few flakes mixed in here and there, but generally just some scattered light rain showers associated with this second cold front. Certainly not nearly the precipitation that accompanied the first cold front that passed through yesterday. Colder air, however, is behind this front, and again, tomorrow will be a downright windy and cold day, some 10 to 12 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Normal highs right now in Philly, for example, are about 51, and again, we'll struggle to reach 40 degrees on Thursday. Well, here's the latest radar loop with the color type by precipitation type by color here. All this white is some scattered snow showers throughout the Great Lakes region, the Ohio Valley associated with that secondary cold front. By the time that moves to the I-95 corridor, it should be warm enough for primarily rain showers. Again, don't be shocked if there's a snowflake or two mixed in. Not expecting much in the way of precipitation, just some scattered rain showers this afternoon into the early part of the evening hours. Here's the current infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Some low clouds associated with that secondary front right now. Pretty clear here along the I-95 corridor in the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, those clouds should roll in by midday, early afternoon hours, and they can produce some scattered rain shower activity during the afternoon into the early part of the evening. Skies cleared last evening. There was some decent viewing conditions for the comet Pan-STARRS. Tonight's conditions are iffy, 50-50 at best. Tomorrow night should be quite clear here in the Mid-Atlantic region, although it'll be very windy and quite cold. Well, let's walk through some GFS forecast maps for the upcoming couple of days at 12-hour increments. We'll look at this evening's forecast, then tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, and Friday morning. This is from last night's 0Z GFS model run. Some precipitation here, again, mainly in the form of scattered rain showers. Could be a few flakes mixed in the Mid-Atlantic region later on today into the early part of this evening. This is all associated with that secondary cold front. Cold air pouring across the Great Lakes region, and that'll move into the Mid-Atlantic region later tonight, and especially for the day tomorrow and tomorrow night, with temperatures way below normal for this time of year. By tomorrow morning, that secondary front is off the East Coast. Just a strong northwest flow of air. Again, winds could gust up to 25-30 miles per hour tomorrow in the Mid-Atlantic region. Partly to mostly sunny skies, but way below normal for this time of the year, with highs struggling to 70 degrees, highs struggling to reach 40 degrees, some 10-12 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Much nicer weather setting up out west. Tomorrow, for example, Denver, Colorado could reach well up into the 60s, perhaps even 70 degrees by Friday afternoon. Some low clouds and fog along the west coast, at least in the late night and early morning time periods, giving way to cool, partly sunny afternoons conditions along the west coast for the next couple of days. Well, here's the GFS forecast map for tomorrow night. I expect mostly clear conditions. So again, viewing for the comet should be pretty favorable tomorrow night, although it'll still be kind of brisk and very cold temperatures. In fact, southeastern Pennsylvania could drop way down in the lower 20s by early Friday morning. Quite cold for this time of the year. A little clipper system here kind of diving to the south and west of the Mid-Atlantic region, but more upstream activity, and clipper, in fact, will affect the Mid-Atlantic region by Saturday. Here's the forecast map for Friday. Still a mostly sunny day, chilly. on the dry side, but there is a clipper upstream here that will move in by Saturday, most likely giving some rain shower activity across the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday. Then we'll have to watch for another system that could affect the region early next week. The pattern definitely remains active, and there certainly are some cold air masses left for the balance of the month of March. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.